In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from your Wix account. Whether you're updating your information or simply removing a card you no longer use, following these steps will help you manage your payment details with ease. So relax, and let's walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wix account. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, simply head over to the Wix website and enter your login details. This will take you to your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your website and anything related to your account. Once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to your account settings. From there, find the option labeled Payment Methods. Now, depending on any updates or changes Wix may roll out, you might find this section under Account and Billing, or alternatively, under Billing and Payments. If navigating isn't your thing, sometimes there might be a direct link labeled Payment Methods you can click on, so keep an eye out for that. Now that you've located the Payment Methods section, you should see a list of all the payment methods currently associated with your account. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific card or method you wish to remove. Verify it's the right one, because we definitely don't want to delete the wrong payment method. Next, look for an Actions button or something similar displayed next to the payment method you want to remove. This is usually a drop-down menu or button that gives you several options related to managing that payment method. Once you click that, you'll find an option to remove or delete the payment method. Go ahead and select that. After selecting Remove, Wix will typically prompt you to confirm that you indeed want to remove this payment method. It's Wix's way of making sure you're certain about this action, as it's not something you'd want to do accidentally. Confirm the removal, and you're all set. With these steps completed, you've successfully removed a payment method from your Wix account. Remember, if you need to add or update any payment information in the future, you can follow a similar path to re-enter your new details. By managing your payment methods through Wix, you ensure that your payment information is always up to date, helping you avoid any billing issues that might interrupt your services. It's a simple yet crucial part of maintaining your online presence smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.